Pedal guards are an important safety adaptation which is placed in front of the foot pedals to prevent them from being pressed accidentally. They are often fitted in conjunction with hand controls to ensure a safe driving experience, and can be particularly helpful for drivers who suffer with involuntary leg movements who are at a higher risk of accidental operation of the pedals. The system prevents the trapping of the feet or prosthetic limbs under the pedals when driving with hand controls. Our pedal guards incorporate a quick release mechanism to allow them to be quickly removed or replaced. A pedal guard is a wise addition to any vehicle adapted with hand controls. For more information about pedal guards, driving aids and other vehicle adaptations, speak to one of our experts by web chat, online inquiry or by phone. Vehicle Adaptations, enabling independence. Mobility in motion.